It's 5:30 in the afternoon, Tuesday, and we just got home from the school after Talia's practice. So now, gutom siya. Ito, may merienda. Is that your snacks only? You'll take your dinner again at 7 o'clock, okay? Very good enough.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's dinner time. Tali is just eating cabbage and sabaw. Kumain na kasi siya ng spaghetti and french fries kanina. Now she's eating just cabbage. You like cabbage, ba? You love it?
It's so good.
So good, of course. You blow kasi it's very hot.
First.
We're about to sleep and still you're eating grapes. After that, after grapes, what will you do? What will you drink?
Milk.
What?
Milk.
Milk. Yeah, okay. Sige. Why you are may kamukha? Uy, sure kamukha?
Ah.
Sure ka?